Hi, my name is Megha and I belong to Sonipat from Haryana, and I've gotten placed as an HR consultant in a Singapore-based firm called Roaring Arrays, and I have done my PGDM from Jaipuria Institute of Management, and it has been a privilege being here. I am very excited. First of all, it is a Singapore-based firm, so it obviously makes me more excited about, experiencing different cultures from different countries. So yes, I'm all motivated and really looking forward to this journey. Since I sat down for an HR interview, so I think the most nervous question that I was made was if you have a deadline on the 31st of December, and so many people obviously have their New Year's plans on the 31st. So how will you convince them to stay back at office and might be available on the 1st of January as well? So that was the trickiest question that I was being asked. So I was very much interested in knowing the certain details about a business which you would never know apart from being an MBA student. So that obviously intrigued me into getting into MBA. So there is a wide variety of students that you get to experience here. So many of them are experienced, so many of them are freshers. So it depends upon you what you want to learn from them, because learning never stops. And yes, if you are willing to learn, then your peers are always ready to help you. Number one, Jaipuria, because of its alumni. Number two, because of the placement records and obviously the rankings that they hold. And after being here, being a student, I can add a lot of things as to why I chose Jaipuria. Coming back, I would like to say that choose Jaipuria blindly. You're going to enjoy every aspect of your life in this institution, especially whether it is related to your education, your friendship, your peer learning, your experiences, and it's a lot that you can learn here. Opportunities are always thrown your way. It depends on how you want to grab it. Yes, so this is one of the best parts about Jaipuria. When you come here, you become a family, and family never gets old. So I have been in contact with many seniors, and Divyansh was the one who I took advice from. There was a super senior called Girishma. She has helped me throughout this MBA journey. So yes, special mention to her. I was involved with the placement committee, so I've gotten a lot of exposure when it comes to dealing with business people, dealing with a lot of HRs or people who come here for interview. So yes, that has definitely boosted my confidence while I sat in my interview. So special mention to this: if you have any problem regarding anything, every faculty, not just the ones responsible for this particular issue, every faculty, every staff member is here to help you. And trust me when I say they are ready to help you 24/7.